Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 most useful Amazon kitchen finds this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Ninja CFN 601 Espresso. Coffee Barista System presents itself as a versatile and user-friendly appliance, blending the best of coffee brewing methods into one sleek unit. With its modern black finish and compact dimensions of 12.21 inches in depth, 9.84 inches in width, and 14.96 inches in height, it can easily fit into various kitchen layouts, making it a great addition for both small and larger spaces. One of the standout features of this coffee system is its ability to create cafe-quality espresso and a wide range of other coffee beverages. From classic espresso shots to rich lattes and creamy cappuccinos, the machine's multifunctionality allows users to customize their drinks to suit personal preferences, catering to both coffee aficionados and casual drinkers alike. The machine is designed to maintain optimal brewing temperatures, ensuring that each cup is consistently flavorful and rich. Ease of use is another significant advantage of the Ninja CFN 601.
The Bella 2-tier food steamer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation while preserving the nutrients and flavors of your food. Its sleek black stainless steel design adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, making it both an attractive and functional addition to your cooking arsenal. With dimensions of 14.17 inches in length, 10.23 inches in width, and 11.41 inches in height, this steamer is compact enough to fit on most countertops without occupying excessive space. Weighing in at just 3.5 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for everyday use. Equipped with 2 tiers, the Bella Food Steamer allows you.
The Cuisinart 12-inch skillet, non-stick hard anodized, stands out for its blend of functionality and quality. Constructed from hard anodized aluminum, this skillet offers remarkable durability and resistance to warping, ensuring long-lasting performance even with daily use. The non-stick surface elevates cooking convenience, making it easier to prepare meals with minimal oil and facilitating effortless cleanup after use. Compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, this skillet provides versatile cooking options, making it an excellent choice for various culinary techniques, from frying and sautéing to simmering. The 5-quart capacity is generous, allowing you to cook enough food for family meals or entertaining guests without the need for multiple pans. The skillet comes with a glass cover, which not only keeps your cooking visible, but also helps retain moisture and heat, enhancing flavor and reducing the need for added liquids. The handle, designed for a comfortable grip.
The Dreo Tower fan for bedroom is an exceptional addition to any home, offering a blend of functionality and style. With its sleek black design, this floor fan seamlessly integrates into various room aesthetics, whether in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom. Measuring 11.81 inches in diameter and standing at 36.22 inches tall, the Dreo Tower fan occupies minimal space while delivering powerful air circulation. Its corded electric power source ensures consistent performance without the need for battery replacements, making it a reliable cooling solution year-round. One of the standout features of this fan is its remarkably low noise level, ranging from 28 to 48 decibels. This quiet operation makes it perfect for bedroom use, allowing for restful sleep without disruptive sounds. The fan is equipped to provide a gentle breeze, promoting comfort without overwhelming the environment. Designed with versatility in mind, the Dreo Tower fan is suitable for a variety of settings.
The Bella XL electric ceramic titanium griddle is an impressive kitchen appliance that combines functionality with a sleek design. This electric griddle measures 11.41 inches in depth, 23.03 inches in width, and stands at 2.91 inches in height, making it a perfect fit for various cooking spaces without taking up excessive room. Weighing only 4 pounds, it is surprisingly lightweight for its size, allowing for easy handling and storage. Constructed with a titanium and ceramic nonstick surface, this griddle ensures even heat distribution while providing a durable cooking area that resists scratching and sticking. The copper and black color scheme adds a modern aesthetic to any kitchen decor, making it not just a cooking tool but also a stylish addition. Operating at a powerful 1500 watts and designed for 120 volts, this griddle heats up quickly, making it a time-saving choice for busy home cooks. Whether you're searing proteins or preparing a hearty breakfast spread,